Are you tired of not making any money in the markets? Well, I have found the solution for you, SignalPeak. SignalPeak is a Telegram service that offers premium signal channels which will allow you to tap into the markets using expert analysis to give you the boost that you need to be making money in the market. They are currently running a promo where you can have 24 hours for free using the channels that they have. And then it is just $350 for a lifetime access. Compared to other Signal channels, this is a massive bargain. For me personally, I have been using SignalPeak for over 6 months now, and it is literally paying for me to travel the world. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Now that we have jumped over to the website, you can see that it is a very clean, very professional website. And if you wanted to start your free trial, you can go ahead and click the button here. Scrolling down a little bit further, you can see all the different kind of channels that you can get involved in. All of these are signals. You have the crypto and you have the Forex a little bit lower. As we scroll down a little bit further, you can see that you have the different plans here. You have the 1-day free trial. You can go ahead and click that now. Obviously, the 1 month for $99 or the lifetime access for $350, which is incredible value, and this is the one that I have. Moving further down the page, you can see just some of the highlighted things here. You know, you have 100 premium Telegram channels. You have intraday scalps, you have standard, and you have swing trades. They also give you risk management guides. They give the exact entry, the exit levels, and they give you update on the trades. Now, these signals are incredibly accurate as well, with a 92% accuracy. And if you're also having issues with anything, they do have 24/7 support, which is incredibly useful. Moving down a little bit more, you can see that they have a lot of reviews that have been left. This guy, since I joined their Telegram channel, I've 10 times my investment through their crypto trading signals. There are obviously many more like this, but for me, the important one was the Trustpilot. Obviously, when I use Trustpilot, I'm looking at restaurants, I'm looking at hotels, anything really, and you can see here the excellent Trustpilot. And then coming to the end of the page, if you're ready to get going, you can just click this button and start the free trial now. So once you start your free trial or you buy the lifetime access, you get directed to this Telegram page and you can just get started over here. For the 1-day free trial, you just click this one here. Obviously, you've got the monthly and you've got the lifetime plan. I'm personally part of the lifetime plan, so I'm going to show you how this works. Going to click, and then obviously you can jump into either crypto or you can jump into Forex. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be jumping into the crypto channels. As you can see here, there are loads of channels for you to choose from. There are so many that there is even a second page with, again, many more crypto channels for you to choose from. I'll be showing you my personal favorite today, which is the Crypto Wizards. So at a first glance, you can see here that they have their targets hit, 167% here, and the period that it took was 23 days, 8 hours and 43 minutes. You jump to the one above, 129% here, 20 days, 13 hours and 3 minutes. The one above that again, 131%, 14 days, 7 hours, 28 minutes. If we are to click here, you will get taken to the signal that was given out, and you can see here that it is ICP against the US dollar, and we were taking a long. They give you your entry where you'll be getting in, they'll tell you where to put your stop loss, and then you have your multiple targets here for you to choose from, or even just trail a stop loss as you go. So again, guys, back down at the bottom of the page, you can see here just the many profits that have been hit, and you can be a part of to make some profits for yourself as well. SignalPeak has personally turned my life around, and it has allowed me to go where I want, when I want, and it has been absolute bliss. Now again, guys, to get involved, all the links are in the description below, so just go ahead, click those, get involved, and start making money for yourself to be able to do the things that you want in life. Now that you have seen the amazing signals that they can give, you can try today to have a free 24 hours. Once you have confirmed everything that I have shown you and you have made your profits for the day, you can go ahead and grab that lifetime access for just $350. In the next video, I'll be running through a different signal channel, so make sure that you hit the like, you hit the subscribe, and you hit the bell so you can be notified on my next video.